This video shows the process for concluding and then restoring an individual student's enrollment in a Canvas course. From the instructor's perspective, select the student's name on the People page, and then select the student's name again in the slide-out tray. And for this course, select the option to conclude. Once this is done, the student will no longer appear on the People page. From the student's perspective, the class is still visible, although it does not show on their dashboard. It is visible on their All Courses page under their past enrollments. For concluded enrollment, students will be unable to take quizzes or post to discussions or submit assignments. To restore a concluded enrollment, on the People page, select the Atkins menu and then view Prior Enrollments. Then select the students from this list and select the link to restore their enrollment in this course. Once restored, the student is able to participate in discussions and complete other Canvas activities. The process of concluding and restoring enrollments in a course did not generate any notifications to the student user.